Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I'm going to show you Tibetan Rite number 4. Now I know what you're thinking. If you've been watching these, I did not do these in order. I did number 5, number 1, number 3, and now number 4. I have not done 2 yet. There is a reason, a method to my madness, but if I told you, reality would, as you know it, would implode upon itself and everything would be destroyed. If, however, you're watching this in the year 2032, none of this really matters. You can watch it in order. Anyway, Tibetan Rite number 4 from the Eye of Revelation. So Tibetan Rite number 4 is you sit with your legs straight, your knees are supposed to be down, touching the floor, hands, fingers together, arms straight, hands can be slightly out, and you tuck your chin to your chest. This is the starting position here. And then you press your body up, and let your head just drop back as far as your body will let it go. However far that is fine. Ideally, you get your body horizontal. And in this position, though, you're supposed to tense every muscle in your body and then relax and come back to the starting position and relax there. So without me really talking, it's kind of here to here, tense, here, relax. And one time is 1. And in the Eye of Revelation, you're supposed to work up to 21 repetitions in a row. You don't have to start out with 21 repetitions in a row though. But that's pretty much it. It's tense, relax, and that would be 1 repetition. If you cannot actually do that, whatever you got is good. Really, it really is. So if you can only get this high up off the ground, great. Drop your head back as far as your body will let it go. Tense everything. And relax. So you treat what you can do as far as you can do, as much as you can do as 1 rep. And that's fine. Because the stronger you get and the more capable you get, the more mobility that you get, it all starts to add up, and eventually this can turn into this, can turn into this, can eventually turn into that. And it doesn't have to happen today, it doesn't have to happen tomorrow. If you just take your time and you show up every day, you'll find that your ability grows more and more each day. Anyway, this is Tibetan Rite number 4 from the Eye of Revelation. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.